All right, Ryan, go ahead.
No call.
I couldn't really see it, but I wanted to say it was low and right. High and left. Hold on.
It looked like it was left.
Way left.
About a mil left.
I think he hit the upright.
On the stand. Oh, okay. Draining?
Ooh,
Left plate.
really close. It's impact too. That looked like it was close as well. I think they're going a little left.
Low.
That was impact as well.
The jug
Impact.
The jug is draining.
It's draining.
Yep.
Probably shrapnel.
It's impact as well.
This is the last one.
Looks like they're all hitting a little bit left.
Yeah, there's like a black.
Yeah, they're all left. That's an impact as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like you had 8 impacts. I think you might have gotten a jug too.
Well, the last jug had a hole in it, so.
It did.